This tutorial demonstrates how to use text and add shadows to text in Hippo Animator 1.4. Click Text on the toolbar to add a new text item to the library. Change the text to Text Shadow in the Properties. Set the color of the text to red. The font is set to Arial. Let's change that to something more interesting. Internet-safe fonts are guaranteed to work if you plan to export to HTML. However, let's choose a standard font for this example. Also increase the size of the font to 36. Drag the text onto the editor. The font is large in this example, so you will need to adjust the size of the text until it is visible. Notice how the text wraps to fit when you resize it. The standard font we have chosen may not be available on other computers when viewed as a web page. To solve this problem, we can convert the text to an image. Notice how the text scales and fits differently now it is an image. It can also be rotated now. Once you are happy with the text in the library, choose Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of the text. Change the color of one of the text items to black. This will be the shadow. Next, duplicate the text in the timeline. Swap one of the text items in the timeline so that the red text is in front of the black text. Again in the timeline, choose Lock from the menu for the red text. This will lock the text in place so it cannot be edited. Now, when you select the text in the editor, you only select the black text. Move the text slightly to create a shadow. Then, reduce the opacity of the frame, making the shadow semi-transparent. Here is the result. If you like, you can do something a little more complicated with the shadow. First, move it back to its original position, behind the red text. Right-click in the editor and choose Flip Vertical. Then, move the shadow under the red text, so it looks like a reflection. Here is the result.